whatever you talk, consciously, unconsciously, or subconsciously, your mind takes it personally. By showing a motivational video, by telling him a motivational story, by telling him four success principles, I'm not going to help him. Have cured at least 500 plus patients of severe depression.
Hello all, welcome back to KM Talks. It is an amazing evening out over here. I have somebody right from Rajasthan, Kota. Kota is the hub of all the education in India. You get all the rankers out of that city, and it is the wonderful place. Now I have with me one internationally acclaimed trainer and an author. It is an privilege for me to have got his time and to interview him. So I present before you CA, the Chartered Accountant Pritam K. Goswami, who is an author and an international trainer. He has traveled to more than 30 countries for social engagements and training engagements. And he has dealt with many companies inside and outside India who are into cement manufacturing, power, pharmaceuticals, hotels, healthcare, education, engineering, finance, insurance, startup, etc., etc., etc. Pretty much he has almost trained more than 50,000 people all over the country. Now he was my mentor when we were like I was undergoing leadership training, and the best part about him is he dresses so awesomely well. I used to call him the showman because I got to know a secret about him. He has more than 150 ties with him. So absolute charming personality. Here I present before you Pritam K. Goswami sir, who is actually a NLP coach. And for most of you who do not know, NLP is neuro linguistic programming, and the founder is Richard Brandler, and he is trained directly by him. We will get to know more about this when he speaks. For now, if you haven't liked my channel and subscribed to my channel, this is the right time you will be doing it, because a lot and lot of gyan is coming up. We have a very, very resourceful person. CA Pritam K. Goswami sir, how are you and how do you feel?
Oh, I'm excited actually when I got an invitation from you, and it was a very innovative idea to interview on Zoom and then publish it on YouTube. So thank you very much for inviting. And so I'm very excited about what's going to happen in next 20-25 minutes.
So all the viewers out here, please do not stop watching this video now. There is a lot and lot of content coming up. So you are a chartered accountant to start with, right? So how was the journey as a chartered accountant? Like, how has your life been as a chartered accountant?
What happens when we choose a career? I'm very happy and very successful as a chartered accountant. So I would say right now, though training and chartered accountancy both are my profession, but I define it like chartered accountancy is my profession and training is my passion. Okay,
Wow.
but I completed my chartered accountancy in '93, and since then I'm practicing. We have a firm based at Delhi, and we are practicing. And as a chartered accountant, I've been president of Kota C Association. So
Wow.
yes, I'm enjoying my profession as a chartered accountant.
Very few people are able to follow their profession and as well as consistently perform in their passion, and there has to be a secret for it, and I know the secret behind it in Pritam sir's life, and that is put as NLP, that is neuro linguistic programming. So Pritam sir, my next question would be, what is neuro linguistic programming and how can we define it to common men?
Yeah, neuro-linguistic programming, NLP means neuro-linguistic programming. It's a science which was invented or presented in form of word in a structured form by two gentlemen from United States, Dr. Richard Bandler and John Grinder, almost 40-45 years back. So it's a advanced and practical form of psychology. Through that you can understand somebody's behavior, and you can change that behavior through by changing the belief and programs in mind to achieve a desired outcome. For example, if I talk about from a student's perspective, say student is not able to concentrate in studies, or case number two, a student doesn't like a particular subject. So by using a simple technique of NLP, we can remove that limiting program from his mind and install a better program. So he will start enjoying the subject the way he enjoys other subjects, and all limitations related to his performance in that particular subject would be improved to unimaginable extent within few hours. So this is just an example. It was just a drop of the ocean, which I just narrated to you.
Wow, wow. So this drop only has so much of content in it. So to all of you over there who would want to know more about NLP and how Pritam sir helps you solve your problems, and if you want to become an NLP practitioner, he's a wonderful NLP coach, acclaimed all over India. He has done NLP practitioner coaching all across India. So I'll be putting his link below to his website, wherein you can go and get in contact with him so that you learn more and more about NLP. And if it is helping you, just go and do it. Don't wait for anything else. So, sir, as you say, you're a chartered accountant, and then this NLP. This is a complete different. I feel this is a different field altogether. So, what was that moment where you decided that you want to jump into NLP?
Oh yeah, I was in training. I was in training life coaching since 2000. Okay, and in 2004, I was reading a book called The Unlimited Power, written by Tony Robbins. It's a wonderful book, and I love it. And there was a chapter specifically written with reference to NLP and what kind of difference it can create. And trust me, when I read that book, I didn't understand anything about NLP. Means I could understand 5-10% of that chapter, and I never knew that he's also an NLP coach. But later on, in 2007 and 8, I met somebody who's an NLP coach, and when he told me about various benefits of NLP, and then I decided to do my first course in NLP in 2010. And then, because as a life coach, I was always missing, because in training we tell people more precisely what to do. If someone comes to me and tells me, sir, I'm not able to inculcate, positive thoughts, I'm not able to concentrate. So if somebody comes, sir, I constantly feel negative. As a life coach, I have no solution to offer, because what is the neurological pathway which are causing him that negativity? So by showing a motivational video, by telling him a motivational story, by telling him four success principles, I'm not going to help him. So
Exactly.
NLP directly reaches to that system where the problem is, and I can, within couple of hours, I can change his thinking pattern entirely. When I got to know that, I knew what is to be, training tells you what's to be done, and NLP tells you how it is to be done. So when you combine
Okay.
both of them, you become a complete solution provider.
Wow. So I understand that training is basically giving concepts, but NLP is basically implementing those concepts.
Implementing, yes,
Very
yes,
good. So you have understood the power of NLP. That is, within 4 or 5 hours, maybe we can program your mind. Think of your computer as a laptop or a computer, and we go inside your hard disk, remove the malware, and give you good software. This can be done through NLP. So you
yes.
please go to his website and check out what is he doing. And also, he's author of two important nice books. Sir, can you tell me about those books and where can be they found? Like.
Yeah, both the books are available on Amazon and Flipkart. The first one is Sunrise Within You. The book was written in 2011. It is on self-empowerment, means it touches all the aspects of your life. How you can achieve significance in your life. And other one was authored in Hindi, Jago, Jano, or Jeeto. So this is also on the similar concept. And in this lockdown, I finished my third book, The Millionaire's Mindset, and
Wow.
this is about to get completed and will be published this year. And I'm also designing a 3 days program based on that. So if you struggle a lot in your life and you're not able to make money, so this book is based on NLP techniques, and by installing correct programs in your mind, so far as richness is concerned, you can create wonders in your life. So this is what about my books.
So millionaire mindset. See, awesome words to learn. Please, you just inculcate some things. Sir is giving you awesome support. I do not know how do I put across this thing, but I'm really glad that you're with me, sir. Can you just again for more clarity? Can you tell me 5 to 6 some magical things what NLP can do? 5 to 6 magical things.
Okay, I start with one thing, like start from easier one, and let me connect it with the training. Okay, say we teach goal setting, but we teach people smart goals, how goals should be set, but we as a trainer do not give them a mechanism to how to achieve those goals.
Okay.
And everybody's mechanism is going to be different. say I got inspired with somebody and I decided to say be a trainer, be a world class trainer, or be a trainer of national repute. And I gave this, I decided my goal, I written it, I created a dream chart. But if my mind has not believed on it, if I'm not able to program it into my mind is not going to support me. So the benefit number one, you can, through NLP, you can help your mind to absorb those goals, and then once your mind absorbs those goals, it can start helping you acting on that. Because my belief are responsible for the kind of action I take. You know, why people procrastinate, why people are not very active. At times they are very lazy, but they are not lazy in all the spheres of their life. In certain areas they are lazy, they postpone their task. So by interfering your internal neurology through NLP, it will influence your action, and your actions are responsible for your results. Number one.
Oh my
Number
God.
two, number two, if you want to convert your disliking into likings because of any reason, you can do it with NLP. Say somebody doesn't like a particular food or sweet or something like that, you can convert it in within 30 minutes. I can do that. Who was There was a lady who's 120 kgs of weight, and the major reason was she's not able to, control her temptation towards eating chocolate. So I had to convert that liking into dislikings.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
So this is number two. Number three, all sort of fears and phobias can be removed within 30 to 40 minutes. And we have done it n number of times. And, when I was attending Richard Bandler's program, there were people who were having phobia of even seeing reptiles in a book. Forget about the live one lying in front of you. And there were people who having such kind of phobia that can't see the picture of snake. And within, what I can do in 40 minutes, Richard Bandler does in 10 minutes. That's I score a century in 100 balls, and Virat can make that century in 50 balls. That's the only difference, because Richard Bandler created NLP. So what
Yeah.
I do in 30 minutes, he can do in 5-10 minutes.
5 minutes. Yes.
So within 5-10 minutes, remove that fear. And they had live snakes over there, and the person who had phobia, the people have height phobia, people have, water phobia. Within 40 minutes maximum, that can be removed.
Oh my God. It's a very powerful tool. Oh my God.
Within 40 minutes that can be removed. Okay. And as I told you that changing any limiting belief into empowering belief, like you are struggling with something, your goals or something like that, decision making, it provides you very good scientific. Generally we take biased decision, something is stored in my mind and my mind is inclined towards that decision, but nobody knows that I'm properly programmed for that decision, whether it's going to be right for. So it gives you a tool through which you can take a proper decision. And one more thing, that any psychological issue, any mental issues in last 10 years, me and my partner Vinay, we do NLP programs together, have cured at least 500 plus patients of severe depression
Oh my God.
within a few days. And they were being medicated for say 20 years, and within few days we could help them reducing the weight. So there are a number of, we recently we handled a case a 14-year-old guy who used to stammer, and then we
Okay.
identified the root cause, and within a couple of sitting of 1 hour each, the stammering was gone. He was able to speak things
Oh my.
normally.
So, see, when you go online and when you search NLP, you might not get right stuff, because of ads and everything. But only way to get to know in real is to dig deeper into it, and that can only be provided through a known person. So, next time when you decide doing about NLP, come to people like who have already had experience. So, do not make any judgment seeing some other blogs or some other videos, and also I'm really shocked by knowing the power of NLP. Maybe I'll also get into NLP very soon, because even I want to have a lot of peak performance in my life. Sir, as you told us, like you were trained by Dr. Richard Brander, the founder of NLP. It is like going to that person who started it, and I think very few people have been to him from India. How does it make you feel, and what was your experience like, sir?
My goodness. 2010, when I was attending my first NLP program, when my coach, I was not even aware who invented NLP by that time. So during those 6 days program which I attended in Delhi, my two coaches kept on telling about him. So he was. If I'm practicing NLP, he's got to me. And then 2014 and 15, by that time I had attended 2 3 different NLP workshops, and I started practicing it. And then I started searching whether Richard Bandler doing training. So I got to know, no, he's charging 40 lakhs or 50 lakhs or 10. People used to tell, but finally I applied, and it took maybe a couple of years. And then finally I got the invitation, though it was a costlier program. It was 9 days program. I had to go to London, stay there. And but yes, and there were 200 participants from 45 countries.
Oh my God.
So they were divided into 100 participants in each batch. So half a day Richard Bandler used to be there, half a day he used to be in other batch, and then next half there used to be other trainers. So but yes, talking to him, asking him the questions, getting, I gifted my book, Sunrise Within You, to Richard Bandler when I was getting photographed with him in the valedictory session. And then what he told, no, you or give me autograph on your book. I won't accept it like this. So that was wonderful. And as you said, Ty. So the coach with Richard Bandler, John Wall.
Yeah.
So he saw one of my tie, appreciated it, and he got himself clicked with me in that tie. So yes, it was dream coming true. I tell you, it is dream coming true.
So one thing we have to understand, that great things do not come to you easily. You have to be consistent enough to reach to become world class. I think you waited for 2 years, and some people give up within 2 weeks. So I think NLP
Yes.
can help us again be patient enough to wait for 2 years, and that is the secret behind your success as well. Wonderful, sir. I'm really enjoying this. So, sir, you have been a coach and a counselor as well. So, just out of the blues, let our viewers have some gyan, and tell us some elements, negative elements from which we should stay away from.
Negative elements in what sense?
Say negative mind elements, or maybe we think
Okay.
something.
I give you a few couple of because I'm recently almost finishing my book on the millionaire mindset. There are 21 prime directives of your subconscious mind.
Okay.
And your programs, whatever beliefs and programs we create in our mind, it is because of repetition. And that repetition is all unconscious process. Like you are born in a family. I know you are from Mysore. You're born, and despite being Marwadi, Kannada, I suppose. Okay. So if I'm born in a family in America, I'll automatically learn English within first 2 3 years, though nobody teaches me vocabulary and the sentence composition and grammar, etc. So by unconscious absorption, I'm learning those things. So what happens if negativity is going around you, and you do not have filters, you do not have firewalls, you do not have that that programs which can stop you taking those negativities. Otherwise also, even if you are sleeping, your unconscious mind is still awake, and something can go inside it. So this is reason number one. Reason number two, whatever you talk, consciously, unconsciously, or subconsciously, your mind takes it personally. Let me give you an example. Suppose your friend made a lot of money, okay, and generally we have seen that mindset. Generally, people are jealous about others' progress. Generally, we do not, and we tell people. कि यार he had no mind, no good education, he had good luck, because of luck he had earned a lot of money, उसकी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी थी. People say like this. Otherwise his knowledge level is zero, he can't even present himself properly. Now when you speak like this, when you think like this, your subconscious mind drawing an inference that money can be earned because of good luck. You are installing that belief, and when you are installing that belief, your mind will control your actions. You will always rely on your good luck rather than taking a risk or taking an action or going for a project. I can give you 100, 200, 2000 such examples why unconsciously, without conscious awareness, we form such kind of beliefs.
Oh my God.
So
Oh my.
awareness is important. Hmm.
So somewhere what you believe it will happen. So that is what we are trying to convey. And also I have heard of a term called as beliefs are self-fulfilling prophecies. A prophecy is something which actually you tell and it becomes a reality and it happens consistently. So when people speak about NLP and mindset, I've heard this that beliefs are self-fulfilling prophecies. Can you just throw some light on this this thing, sir, sentence, sir?
Let me give an example to it, and then how it happens, I'm going to tell you. Though I have already told a bit of it.
Yeah.
I was doing my CA, and I had completed my 1 year by that time. And one person approached me, "Sir, I want to. Somebody has referred me to you, and I want to do CA. Please tell me whether I'll be able to do that."
Okay.
So I told him, "Well, look, I have not yet completed it. I'm still doing. So I can't say whether you will be able to do it or not. But I believe I can do it. And when I can do it, you can also do it." Okay. And he joined CA. But in next couple of years, every now and then he used to say, "If I can do CA, any fool or any bullshit kind of person can do CA." Okay. What is the indirect meaning of it? I can never do CA because every fool cannot do CA. Number one. And and he used to laugh, on his own. Means he was laughing on himself while saying this sentence.
Okay.
He might be saying it, in fun. And trust me, he was. If I looked at his academic, was far better than me. He was college topper. I was a very mediocre student. If I talk about BCom exams, number one, he tried for 4.5 years. So it is creating a program, and as I told you, my belief system drive my behavior and action, and my actions are responsible for my results. So whatever you tell to, that's why in our NLP program we have to tell people, दुनिया में इंसान का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन अगर कोई है तो वो खुद है.
Okay.
You are responsible for what you did not get and wherever you struggled in your life. So yes, your beliefs are your self-fulfilling prophecies.
So I think people should work more on their affirmations daily. Get up and do not say prayers, but say affirmations first. That I am happy, I am successful, I am healthy, I am handsome, and I can do wonderful things. So please,
Exactly.
please go ahead and start doing this. Maybe you will find at least there is no loss. Okay, you might not find any benefit, but there is no loss. So please try it out.
No,
So yeah, coming to the conclusive part of this interview, wonderful interview wherein there was a lot of gyan. Now, if you have forgotten to subscribe and like, this is the right time to do it. And also I have told you that I am putting Pritam sir's links over here. You can go and check them out. See, this is just as you told, a drop of the ocean of the knowledge we are sharing, but there is lot and lot to learn, and we need to learn consistently in our life. Sir, a final message to all the students, corporates and businessmen, that just just to be great in their lives, just to be great in their lives.
I would say the awareness about how your mind works. And trust me, when you go for spiritual readings, the essence you will get is whatever what is law of attraction says. And एक मूवी आई थी ओम शांति ओम, जिसमें शाहरुख खान साहब कहते हैं कि आप किसी चीज को अगर शिद्दत से चाहो तो दुनिया, ये पूरी कायनात, the entire universe helps you going, meeting that particular person or thing, and you can embrace it. So that's what I'm saying. The entire universe is inside you. You need to be clear what exactly you want. You need to have belief. Yes, you can do. When all great tasks in the world have been accomplished by ordinary people, they become extraordinary later on. So when they are also human being, I'm also human being. When they can do it, I can also do it. Creating that sort of belief, bringing clarity in what exactly you want to achieve in your life, and then sky is the limit.
Wow, sir. Wow. This is like somebody's life told of in like 2 minutes. See, I agree. It might be little hard in the beginning, but you will get used to it. When sir is telling all these things, you will get used to it. And what is the fun if it is not hard to do it? What is the fun if you just get a gold medal without trying for it? So I would always say work hard for it so that you enjoy the process and kindly follow his words. They will really make a difference. So he is himself is an example. You see, being a normal performer to becoming a chartered accountant, he has many degrees over there, and he became NLP practitioner, then a master NLP practitioner, then a coach, going to Richard Brandler, going to 30 countries, teaching 50,000 people, 500 plus psychologically, like people with psychological problems, getting 500 plus. I think there will be thousands. So people getting solved of their psychological problems. So this is the power of neuro linguistic programming, and this was just a snapshot what we gave you today. Thank you so much for joining on KM Talks. Please do follow him and like his links. If you want to buy his book, please go ahead and buy it, because it will not be a bad investment. All these things are investments, what you do in life. So Pritam sir, thank you so much for joining us and giving us so very much insight. So you could ask our subscribers to like and subscribe, and then we'll say bye to them from this edition of KM Talks.
Thank you so much. It was indeed, whenever I speak about myself or my achievements, whether it's small or not, but I also feel inspired from myself. So you again gave me the opportunity to, speak about myself. And yes, the way you conducted the show, it was mind blowing. Your presence of mind, the kind of questions you asked, the way you connected my answers with the next question, it was mind blowing. And indeed, because the best part of his, I consider this series of videos better than motivational videos, because you are helping people to learn from people's life experience. Nothing better than that. So it's a very innovative initiative, Kunal. And because you are directly connecting people, each one of us is, we are having our life lessons. And when I'm sharing my life lessons, I'm making somebody's life easy, because somebody also made my life easy. So that's a wonderful initiative. You are reaching out to people, you are helping them, connecting and learning from different people. So I appreciate you for that, and you really, it's a worth appreciating task. And I request all the viewers to subscribe this channel and help others subscribing, because it's going to change your life.
Thank you so much. This is it from this edition of KM Talk. See you soon. Do some NLP research and come back to his website. Bye.
Bye-bye.